Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the best settings for gaming on OPPO K10x. Okay, so let's begin. Before we start gaming, it's always good to open up the settings, and let's make sure that in the display and brightness we have set the screen refresh rate on high. Thanks to that, we will have up to 90 Hz of the refresh rate, while on the standard we only have 60. On the high, the game will run much smoother, and the comfort of the gaming will be on the higher level. Also, before gaming, it's good to open up the recent apps and close all of them. Currently I have no any, but you can do it before and simply close the apps that are running in the background because they are not necessary during the gameplay. And when you close those apps, the RAM gets freed up a little. So it's also worth doing. And now we can open up our game. Okay. Let's wait a little until the game launches. It's going to take a while, so I'll see you once the PUBG is loaded. Okay, the game has finally loaded. And let's say that in this video we want to get the smoothest gameplay and as many FPS as possible, but also I will show you that how to get better graphics. So I selected the PUBG as a game for this video because we can change the graphics settings. So let's open them up, click the graphics, and in here, to get the best performance, make sure that you have selected better frame rate. Thanks to that, the graphics will be smooth, frame rate will be set on maximum, and the graphics will be simply a little bit worse than it will be on the better graphics. In here you can select everything that you want. You can also click on customize and do this manually. So that's the better frame rate mode currently. Also you can enable the better graphics for better graphics, for better visual experience. And then hit on apply to save your settings. And we also need to remember that in this device we have inbuilt game mode. So thanks to that, here it is. You won't see it because the screen is a little bit too dark, but in here there's a little bar. You need to slide it from the left to the right and make sure that you have the Pro Gamer mode enabled. Thanks to that, the temperature will increase a little, but the FPS will be on the higher level, and that's basically the thing that we want to achieve. Also, we can enable the game focus mode. We can click on turn on. And now simply we won't exit the game by a misclick. Also the notifications would pop out on our screen, so we won't get distracted. But for now I'll also turn it off. In here we can also enable the call blocker. We need to click on the settings and give a permission to it. Oh, give me a second because... Okay, hit on allow. That will be fine. Okay. Also, you can enable the screenshot. I mean, take it in that way. Just like that. It's automatically taking. And we can also enable the orientation lock. I mean, we can block it, so the screen won't switch and rotate. Also, we have the network optimization, so we can see our ping. Okay, also we have the touch optimization. We can enable the mistouch prevention. We can disable the screen gestures, the notification drawer mistouch prevention, the split screen gesture, so it won't appear by a misclick. And when it comes to the touch sensitivity, we can also manually select it, the touch sensitivity and the swipe. Also, you can set it into your own preferences in the custom mode or use the recommended options. Okay. For now. I'll turn it off because I need to close the app. Just like that. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.